Alright, everybody, welcome back. Let's get some music. Oh, that's a little loud. Alright, now my end a little bit up under. Let's go. Okay, we are going to go ahead and continue with the RPG. So last time we finished the create a world. Now we are going to start by adding fences. So I'm in the enhance the world part of the tutorial. So it says in the hierarchy, go to world, tile, maps, fences. Once again, we are working with our RPG that we started with. We created a house last time. We have a roof. It disappears in a chimney. So all I do is open that scene back up. Right? So just remember to open it up and get back to here. And we have assets and creator kits and all this jazz. And this is what we did last time. We added a roof and doors and chimneys. And these are prefabs. So what we're going to do is go to world. So we're going to go tile maps and we're going to go to fences. So basically it's asking us to go to the tile palette window and check the active tile map field. Right? So worlds, tile map, fences. So we're going to go to tile palettes. We're going to click on fences over here. In the hierarchy, which is what it told us to do. It said in the hierarchy. So we did that. We went to the hierarchy, which is over here. The world and fences. We clicked on it. We're there. We're at our active tile map as fences as well. So we've done everything that they've asked. Now we are going to select the fence tile. And I think that is its right layout. Yes. And then remember, use my middle mouse wheel to scroll in. Cool. Now in the scene view, which is what we should be. Scene view. The fence will try and snap to pieces of fence already added to tile. We're going to paint and close a garden. So we're going to make a garden, basically. Click and drag as well to create longer stretches. Tip. Take care not to box the player character in. If they're trapped by fences, they won't be able to move freely around. Oh. Cool. Let's create a garden over here. So I can left click. And it seems to be. Just gonna click drag. Left click, hold, drag. Honestly, that was the easiest thing. So easy to do that. Cool, look at that. Auto turns around for you. Oh, cute. Cool. It says if you need to delete a section, use the eraser tool under. Bam. I'm gonna undo that. Cool. Let's do file save. Control S. Short. So now we're gonna add a footpath. In the hierarchy, go to worlds, tile maps, midground. Hierarchy, worlds, tile map, midground. Also over here, our active tile map. Right, change it to midground, it's already there. In the tile palette window, select the footpath tile. Oh. In this, okay, so what I did there, by the way, is I reselected it just to make sure you're editing the scene. Like, I couldn't see my cursor clicking on that, so I just wanted to make sure that I actually was being on whatever that piece is called again. Footpath tile. Now this says in the scene view, paint path tiles. Okay, easy enough. Let's make some footpath tile. Over here. Nice. All I did was left click and drag, by the way. Now let's add some natural resources, some natural land. Okay. This is once again in the midground. We're going to select that using the paintbrush tool. We're going to paint the tiles to the scene view. Hierarchy select. One at a time. Alright. World. Going to midground. Well, I'm already in midground. Just double check. Select that. Oh, okay. So what we're going to want to do is select all of that. Cool. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Perfect. Hierarchy, select background game object. Game objects. Just that. Set the active tile map to background. We've done that. Up here, background. Paint the background behind your ellipse. Fill the transparent space and sign changes. Okay, so I'm just creating cliffs so that my character cannot get through it. I see. Cliffs, man, they suck. I honestly don't like cliffs, but we'll try this just because. And then it says we should probably paint background line. Fill in the transparent space. Oh, I did something wrong. So check it out. We're not supposed to do that. We're actually supposed to, in the mid-ground, place it. Play it. Hey, it works. Cool. Add animated plants. Cool. Next up. It includes a special right-click menu to... Okay, so it's a special right-click menu. Add the key elements of the game. This isn't normally in Unity Editor, okay? Added this so you can focus on world building and design gameplay. Works by adding an instance of a prefab, usable, right? You can add just for your game. So the first thing that you'll add with this menu is an animated tree. Scene view. Right-click the location where you want to add the tree. Aha. You'll see environment, add element, animated tree here. Will automatically be there. And to adjust it, use so what we're going to do is add some trees, apparently, right? Remember, to delete. I wonder if you can also duplicate. Let's try it. Let's add a tree right here. Environment, add animated tree. Once. If I do Control D, will it duplicate? Yes, it will. Control D, duplicate. Nice, right? See? Control D and it duplicates it. I have tree. I also want to do that so that they fade, honestly. Animated clouds. Okay. So we're going to go to Creator Kit, Art, Sprites, Environment. Creator Kit, Art, Sprites, Environment. Bam. Nice. Holy cow, there's a lot in... Hey, clouds. I see. Cloud 1, 2, and 3. Let's see. In hierarchy, open up the world game object and find its child, animated clouds. So in the world game object. World game. That says animated clouds. I think that's it. Drag a cloud sprite, one of those, to that window. Let's do the one that looks like this one. Cloud 2. Drag, drop. I left clicked, held it, dragged it, and dropped it. Interesting. Easy. I like it. You can see it in the center of my map, actually. It's that blob. With the... Okay, we... Oh, yeah, hold on. We gotta go over here and press F. Bam! Now it's in. Okay, in this inspector, find the cloud game object sprite renderer component and change the order layer setting parameter to order and layer to 2000. So let's go to inspector. On the cloud, and we want to do sprite renderer, and order and layer is 2000. Sick. And then we're gonna move it. Drag the cloud until it's in the correct location. Okay, well, we're marked that as complete, but let's go ahead and let's change it. Where do we want a cloud? Put it over our garden. Let's play. Oh, it's transparent. Oh, it's moving too. Cool. We're done. It says save. Yep, always save, always save. So these are all going to be things that I'm going to put in as like part of the checklist. Did you do the following? Into this assignment. Add static decorations. Cool. Let's see what we got. Objects. Scene view, right click, we want to add. So under objects. Yep. Tile maps with I see a lot. This is actually very nicely put together now that I'm starting to understand the hierarchy view and like what they did. This is very nice. Let's put something in here. Environment, decorations, put a bush in here. Okay, I got a bush. And this just says that add some static decorations. So let's put something here, man. Put another bush over here. Here we go. We got some decorations. Alright. Increase the variety of your decorations. Okay, that's basically what we just did. Okay, cool. Yeah, so let's see what we got. Let's play it and see how it works out. And this could be the end of this video. Look at that. Look at that. Aww. Perfect. Perfect. I wonder if the trees have some kind of effect. It's a circle collider. Yep, so there's the trigger. And then fading sprite. Yep, so they did the same thing. They put a circle collider on it and a box collider. So I don't understand why they have both of those on the tree. And I'm sure that when you... This is the tree, right? Oh, okay, so you have a box collider there. Circle colliders there, and then that's a... Okay, cool. So they actually have collider. So this is how actually you're creating multiple hitboxes. Interesting. So now I'm seeing some Smash ideas coming out. And this is actually just extra in the video, so if you wanted to stop here, you don't have to, but this is actually interesting, I think. So let's just pick a character like Violet, for example. See how like there's a cylindrical hitbox, so this would be a collider, collider. These are all colliders. These are all individual colliders on this character. This is a collider, but that's a trigger in this case. That's its hitbox. Cool. So like I'm seeing a lot of similarities now and where it's coming from. That would be these things right here that we just clicked on. So clicked on and off. That's colliders, hitboxes basically. Circle one. All right, and that's it for today's video, or at least part 2. I appreciate y'all chiming in on this one. I shall see you next time.